a pet dog. What should we do with him? First, let's get him out. Get him out. He looks very happy. Come out, little guy. He's coming out. He's not really scared. Let's help him out of there. He looks hungry. Let's get him some of this special dog food. Yum, yum, yum. It looks like he loves this dog food. Let's go and get him something to drink. Woof, woof. Let's go, little guy. But now he looks tired. What should we do? He should sleep in his little cage. Oh, let's help him in there. Let's close it. He's so happy. He will have a good rest. And have fun, little guy. We'll come and check on you in a minute. It's been a minute. Let's get him out. Come out, little guy. It's not scary. Scary? All you need to do is come out. Woof, woof. Yeah, you're right. Everybody should like it and subscribe and give a comment. You are a so sweet little puppy. Make sure you like and subscribe and give a little comment how you think of Gil. Goodbye. Wait, before goodbye, he says he wants to say something. Woof, 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 woof. He says, have a good day.